What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you this morning, man. Just wanted to talk to you about a few things that was on my mind. I was sitting here thinking about the celebrities and the people that we praise and support in our black communities and those who actually get there. And we like, man, they made it there and we want to support their movies. We want to support what they do. And then you think about it. All of they're doing, a lot of them, is pampering themselves, which there's nothing wrong with getting to a level and taking care of yourself. So I'm not going to knock that at all, like by no means. But once you get to a certain level, people at the bottom don't understand. So I'm not saying give them money because money isn't what they need. Money isn't what we need. We need to know what to do with money. We need to understand money. We need to know what money can really do because we don't know. We just use money to buy stuff with. You see what I'm saying? But once we get to that certain level, you making 20 million a movie. I'm just throw a wild number out there. And you can't take 5 million to start investing in your own movie projects so that way you can have your own company and you ain't steady running to them working for them. See, if you think about it, the majority of the people that we really respect that's in the entertainment industry, they working for someone. They're not bosses. Yeah, they might say, oh, yeah, I'm in it. Nah, they working for someone. They filing taxes. And that's how they ass go to jail. Because the rich don't work for their fucking money. Think about that. Think about that. Let me say that again. The rich do not work for their money. So if you're working for your money, you are not rich. You're getting by. You got that it's kind of like having a facade of being rich. You know, they put you in the nice areas, you around the certain people, you eating the certain foods, but you don't have the money that they have because once you fall off, because eventually you fall off, or don't pay taxes or don't do something that they don't like, they blackball you. Look at the system. Look at all the people that have been blackballing in the system because they're not true bosses. They got us believing that they're bosses, but they're not really not. So 2020, we have tons of real bosses out there that's really doing stuff for the community. That's really, you buy their products, they going to get stuff for the schools and for the less fortunate and for the homeless. Like they really helping people. So let's support those that's really helping people, help educating people, help changing people's lifestyles, and not just those who lacing their pockets with our money because we support them. We support them. They black. They black. They black owned. But no, they ain't. They black, but they owned by somebody white. Hold on.